I am Deepak, this is Jay, and this is Mir. This is our model. It is a robotic arm which is only based on the fluid dynamics hydraulics. Respected sir, this is our model. It is a robotic arm based on a human hand. It is made up of syringes, IV pipe, PVC pipe, and a plywood. In this model, all the actions are controlled by the syringes and IV pipes. Actions like pushing, pulling, sliding, and picking an object. Each syringe is connected to the another syringe using the IV pipes, and it acts like a human hand, and it also acts like a heart and the muscles in the human hand. Each arm and each finger can work individually with greater precision. So this is a demo how a model works. So this is how our model can pick up an object, and it can rotate 360 degrees, and there are 5 fingers, so each can move individually like this. It provides greater precision, and it can be installed in various industries for various purposes, helping humans to reduce time and reduce machinability.
Our model is based on Pascal's law. Pascal's law states that if pressure is generated at one point in a closed system, like the cylinder of our syringe, that extra pressure will be relieved by the pressure acting on the other end of the system, which is the second syringe attached to the horizontal PVC pole. Now demonstrating the effect, when we push the syringe here inside, the fluid inside is compressed, and that compressed fluid expands on inside this syringe to push this piston up, resulting in the lowering of the hand. The dimensional analysis of this model has the following variables: diameter of the syringe, pressure generated when we press the syringe, the fluid density, here the fluid is water, viscosity of water, the speed of water when pressure is generated between two syringes, the roughness of the pipe inside, and the rate of flow of water.
Now I am going to explain some future applications of our models. If more time and more efforts would have been put into the model, more complexity could have been brought out. Instead of manual operation of syringe could have been replaced or predefined computer program or switch operation. Furthermore, varieties and more flexibility to add or replace any part according to the requirement can be done, improve its uses and increase the field of uses, and to make it universal or flexible. As we know that the natural sources of fuel decreasing day by day, we need to remove the dependency on these sources. With the alternative sources, we have to use alternating energies like solar energy,